Hello everyone, I'm Rachel and you're watching Kalkine TV. In this report we throw some light on Australian biotech giant CSL. Now the company announced a rise in revenue in the first half of financial year 2021, and that was even as plasma collections remained weak due to COVID-19 restrictions. While the revenue of the biotech rose 5% to $6.04 billion, the net profit after tax fell 2.8% to $1.76 billion due to a 3.4 percentage point slip in its gross margin in the half year ending 31st of December 2021. Now, despite its muted earnings, CSL's board maintained its interim dividend at $1.04 per share. Meanwhile, the company reported a 1% fall in its biopharmaceutical company, CSL Behring revenue. Their influenza vaccines business, Seqirus, once again delivered a strong performance, with revenue up 17% at constant currency. They also report strong growth in market-leading haemophilia B product, Idelvion, and in specialty products, Kcentra and Haegarda. CEO Paul Perreault said that the earnings matched the expectations in a challenging environment due to COVID-19. On the 14th of February, the company announced it had completed its $750 million share purchase plan. They say the share purchase plan funds will be utilised to support the proposed acquisition of Vifor Pharma. Now, Vifor is a global specialty pharmaceutical company with leadership in renal disease and iron deficiency. The share purchase plan received strong backing, with valid applications totaling $942.7 million, which meant the offer had to be scaled back. The biotech reaffirmed its guidance for financial year 2022, with an NPAT expected to be in the range of almost $2.15 billion to $2.25 billion at constant currency. The guidance is expected to be supported by improvements in plasma collections and increased demand for flu vaccines. This morning, CSL stock was trading at $259.88, up almost 7%. It fell almost 18% year to date. CSL shares are currently trading at $257.93, up 6.14% so far today. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Kalkine TV for more news and info on the economy and markets. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.